Sustainability is the sixth and final pillar, which is added recently in AWS well-architected framework out of these six pillars. So what is sustainability? Why it's important to you, and everything that you need to learn about this pillar, sustainability pillar. We're going to talk about this in this video.
The last is the sustainability pillar. Sustainability pillar says that you should, Amazon always recommends you to use everything, like say, make your solution secure, reliable, efficient, cost effective, but at the same time, it should be sustainable also for longer runs. So you should always keep it in your mind that whatever practices you are doing, make sure that you are not oversizing yourself, maximize the efficiency uses, reduce the waste, because at the end of the day, you have to reduce the carbon footprint on the world also. Okay, so make sure offered to you by Amazon or any other cloud service provider, they should be available for a longer run workloads. The energy is being consumed, the space is being consumed, the carbon footprint is being created by the data centers of these cloud service provider. The more you will ask, the more they will deploy. But then if you will ask the right sized solution, then these cloud service providers will also provision the required amount of infrastructure only in their data center. So it is better that you should not oversize your infrastructure, so that reduce the energy consumption. By using the managed services also, you can go for, support of this sustainability pillar. So make sure that this global infrastructure which is being created by Amazon, the electricity supplies, the building materials, the waste products, the water consumption, the cooling, all these things are happening at the end of Amazon. So make sure that you size up your solution in a right way, so that Amazon can also, incorporate or can, downsize whatever is available, and so that it is also, at the end of the day, not creating a lot of carbon footprint on our environment. So make sure that you optimize the solution in a best way, where unnecessary usage of storage, compute, bandwidths are not done by you. Because at the end, you are impacting the environment either via direct or via Amazon. So you should always keep it in mind that the optimized solutions should be taken up.
Hey, if you like this video and would like to learn how to get a high paying job on AWS cloud, even as a beginner, or if you're already working in cloud and would like to know how to get at least 30% hike minimum, then I would like to invite you for a free class that I'm doing, where we take you onto a journey and give you the complete roadmap, and including our three-step framework to get a high paying job in AWS cloud. I'm also going to give you all the complete roadmap, including the hands-on lab and the project work you should be doing. Also, some of the common mistakes you might be doing that's stopping you from getting it your dream job, whether you're applying and not struggling to get interview calls, or if you're appearing in the interviews and not getting those jobs as well. If you're interested, go to this URL, k21academy.com/AWS02. It's completely free class. Enter your name, email address, phone number, and click on enroll this free class to see you in this free class. Well, that was our cloud expert. She's talking about sustainability, the sixth and final part of the six pillars of a AWS well architected framework. Now, let me know if did you enjoy all the six parts of this, or you missed anything or any feedback to improve.